favourite vegan products. Great little lunchtime snack. Duck. A lot of vegan cheeses. Tofu. A lot of people hate tofu. Trick to make it taste really good. Vegan sausages, because clubs aren't open annoyingly. Ethical brands. Italian pizza base. Hello, my name is Lessie and I am a vegan bisexual feminist. And today I'm going to be focusing on the vegan side of things. I only use the labels because it's just easy to understand what my channel's about and who I am. But yeah, I'm a vegan. I love being vegan. I've got such a huge passion for food. I did before I was vegan. I do even more now I am vegan. I feel like this is quite a common thing that vegans say, but once you go vegan, you have an enormous amount of excitement about food and about the latest products. That's exactly what this video is going to be about, my favourite vegan products at the moment. I've got a huge list. You might want to get your notepad out and write them down. I'm pretty sure you can get all of these from Tesco. So first, vegan treat is the Wicked cupcakes. Some vegan cakes can be a little bit, they're a bit hit or miss sometimes, but these cupcakes have got such a thick coating of yellow frosting and it's really creamy. To be honest, I had the cake for the icing, not for the sponge. The Wicked Kitchen sweet potato pecora wrap. This is just in like the meal deal section of Tesco usually. Meal deal. And it's so yummy. Great little lunchtime snack. Okay, I've gone off these recently because I had them so often, but they are delicious. Vegan coconut macaroons with chocolate. I think it's Mr. Kimball's or something. Oh my god, they're so good. I used to hate coconut, but now I'm obsessed. I want coconut in everything. Also, how long is my fringe? It's really annoying. It's what being vegan does to you. It makes everything grow super fast. Like my nails grow so fast as well, and I love having them short. Okay, if you're obsessed with pizza like I am, I'm obsessed. The pizza I'd recommend is to get the Costa Monaca Italian pizza base, and then you can just put your own toppings on. You can buy your own vegan cheese, whatever one you like. I like applewood cheddar. I'll get a photo of it anyway and put it on the screen. I haven't had this one in a while, but there was also the Chicago Town jackfruit vegan pizza, which is so nice. It's proper stodgy though. I mean, it's Chicago Town. Apparently Chicago Town are releasing, you know those little mini pizzas that are like this size? Apparently they're releasing the vegan version. Okay, well, on to chocolate. So Nomo. The Nomo raisin bar is so good. But Nomo have also come out with a salted caramel, which is my new favourite of Nomos. But there's so much good vegan chocolate, like the vegan Galaxy chocolate. What else is there? Oh my gosh, I was in Sainsbury's the other day and I picked up this like vegan chocolate truffle chocolate and it was insane. It was so nutty and hazelnutty and caramelly and thick. I like quite a chunky, like a Kit Kat chunky kind of size chocolate. Apparently the vegan Kit Kat was meant to come out, but I haven't actually seen it anywhere. If anyone has seen it, please comment down below. Vegan milks. Almond milk is brilliant, but at the moment oat milk is my favourite. I have it in my decaf coffee. Cannot have caffeine because of anxiety. And I also like, I think I've spoken about this in another video, but it's called Milk or something with a Y. That's really good milk. And the ethics behind like the brand are top notch. If you're a vegan and you're watching this, I'm sure you're very concerned with buying and purchasing products from ethical brands that are very considerate of the environment and yeah, have a good ethos. Tofu. A lot of people hate tofu, but I have recently found a new trick to make it taste really good. So I marinate my tofu in soy sauce, a little bit of olive oil, celery salt, I know, but just try it. Celery salt, smoked paprika, pepper and salt. Put the tofu, cut it up into tiny little slices as well so they go crispy, because often people don't like the texture of tofu because it's quite squidgy, but if you cut it into the tiniest little crispy pieces, not crispy, you cut it up into the tiny pieces and then you fry it and then it goes really crispy and it's less spongy. Oh my gosh, I need to include this. I actually haven't got it on my list, but shredded duck. I have this with a roast because I've been having a roast a lot with my boyfriend's family. Shredded duck with this kind of like coconut gravy. Oh my god, it's the most heavenly thing. You need to dress it with a sauce because otherwise I think it'd be quite dry, but like the texture is gorgeous. For all you ice cream lovers, I have got such a good suggestion. Glace. The raspberry ice cream is so good. It's so creamy. Often with vegan ice creams, I don't know why I don't enjoy them, a lot of them, but yeah, this one's a winner. Hellmann's vegan mayo. This is a very strong suggestion because my brother, who's very not vegan, very well articulated, Lessie. Yeah, my brother likes his dairy products, but he prefers the vegan mayo to normal because it's got such a strong lemony taste and it adds so much more flavour and it's so much more interesting, because otherwise I think normal mayo is actually quite plain. As it's barbecue season, sauerkraut. So if you're having a barbecue and you're having these vegan sausages, put some sauerkraut on top. If you don't know what sauerkraut is, look it up because I don't actually know how to explain it. I'm sure you've all heard of the Beyond Meat burger, so I'm just going to put it out there whilst we're on the topic of barbecues, but let's move on. Oh my gosh, I've got the best thing to suggest. I am such a dessert fiend. One of my top suggestions are Og's Victoria sponge cakes. Og's are actually really good. They also do like a chocolate fudge or caramel, a chocolate cupcake thing, which is really yummy, but I'm just less of a fan of chocolatey desserts. I like chocolate, but I don't really like chocolatey flavoured desserts that much. Waitrose vegan sushi is so good. So they've got like a sushi bar, but I don't actually get the one that they do at the bar, but the meal deal, I don't think Waitrose actually do meal deal, but that kind of section, you know, the to-go snacks, lunches, sushi there is amazing. Oh my gosh, I haven't had these in ages. The Plant Kitchen mac and cheese bites from the Plant Kitchen is Marks and Spencer's vegan range. I was like, I'm gonna find this disgusting because a lot of vegan cheeses, not a lot. I actually know a lot of really good vegan cheeses now. I think that's quite like a beginner vegan thing to say, that vegan cheese is horrible. But once you get into it, you find some really amazing ones. But yeah, I was a bit judgmental at first because I was never really a big fan of mac and cheese anyway. I never had it. But oh my God, they're amazing. After a night out, I haven't had, you know, because clubs aren't open, annoyingly. I can't wait to go clubbing. Once they're open, I'm gonna get the mac and cheese bites in the oven. They'll be amazing when you're having a drunk snack at like 3 in the morning. My last little suggestion of this vegan supermarket food shop suggestion thingy-majiggy, the milk milkshakes. So they're quite new. I don't know where they do them other than Waitrose. I've had only the one flavour, the banana flavour, and oh my God, it's amazing. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you've got any vegan products that you're obsessed with, please comment down below. I'm begging you because I want to expand my food knowledge even further because I'm just obsessed with trying new vegan stuff. I don't shy away from trying some weird suggestions as well. As long as they're vegan, I'm up for it. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the bell down below. I feel like a broken record saying that. I'm like, does it actually make a difference? Would they actually subscribe if I asked, or do they just want to do it off their own accord? Is that what you say? See ya.